Since there are no senators who wish to propound questions, I think you can, to the
Sir.
DOJ Secretary.
Short
Yes,
lang for
Senator.
DOJ.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Secretary Remulla, sir,
Yes, sir.
can we confirm from you, so far sa itong tinatakbo na investigasyon natin, kung ilan na yung na-admit ninyo sa Witness Protection Program from our resource persons? Kung meron na ba?
Sir, under the Witness Protection Program, dalawang klaseng testigo po. One is a protected witness, people who testify in proceedings. If they request assistance from the DOJ in applying for the program, we give them a protected witness status, which means bibigyan na ho namin sila ng security at yung mga ibang benefits pwede na makuha. Ang pagkakaiba lang, pag sinabi hong state witness, ibang procedure din po yun. Kaya yung po yung ina-evaluate ngayon, sa dami po ng transaksyon na nandito, inaayos po namin, tinitingnan ho namin kung paano ho, ano talagang krimen sa kami magko-concentrate. At kung kaninong testimony po pinakamahalaga under the Witness Protection Act. Yun po, kailangan po makita namin kanino talaga ang necessary para makakuha kami ng conviction later on. Yun po lang ho ang ano dito.
Sir, so far, the level of protection that is being provided to the Diskaya, to Bryce Hernandez, sa ngayon ay sa amin pa lang yan sa Senado?
Yes, sir. Sir, I just wrote a letter to the Senate President. I don't know if it was sent here yesterday. Ito po yung informing the senators that we have provisionally accepted them to the program. Tapos i-evaluate namin sila as state witnesses, pero bibigyan na ho sila ng security mula po sa sulat na to ay matanggap na Senado. Since they're still under yung mga itong tatlong taong ito, si Bryce Hernandez, JP Mendoza, and Henry Alcantara, ay nasa custody po ng Senate at naka-contempt. Hindi po namin sila binibigyan para security, pero ini-inform po namin kayo na bibigyan na namin ng security. And then we have to process also Mr. Diskaya again tomorrow. Mahabang proseso ho ito kasi ang dami hong transaksyon, tsaka dapat alam po natin ang direksyon kung saan po papunta ang mga demanda.
Thank you, Secretary Remulla. Mr. Chair, okay na ako. Thank you.
Chair, Mr. Chair,
Yes, Senator Marcoleta.
I just want to make a record that when I approached the Secretary of Justice together with Engineer Bernardo, both of them committed that Engineer Bernardo will go to the DOJ accompanied by the DOJ Secretary for the purpose of filing the appropriate charges only. And Engineer Bernardo will not in any way add or alter the affidavit that he presented before us. Meaning to say, no additions, no subtractions, walang alterations. Whatever copy that he distributed to this committee will be just that.
That is correct.
Thank
At
you,
saka
Mr. Chair.
recorded naman po, nasa transcript, nasa YouTube, nasaan pa.
Yes, sir.
Kaya
Kasi po,
kung mag-alter siya, he will be liable for perjury.
Hindi po, no supplement, no nothing. Kasi
No,
po yung
hindi-
iba, pagdating dito, nagsusupplement. Ang sabi niya, wala na po akong idadagdag. Yun lang po.
Meron siya sa statement niya na I humbly reserve the right to submit a supplementary affidavit
Yun nga
if
po eh.
warranted.
Kaya po
in the
sinabi ko sa
premises.
kanya, meron ka rito, magdadagdag. Kasi dapat sana alam natin because he presented himself before this committee. But whatever he does outside this committee, wala tayong kinalaman. Hindi na po natin nalalaman kung ano mangyayari. I mean, for purposes of transparency, Mr. President,
You're saying
Mr. Chair,
that, just
kaya
in
po
case-
pumapayag na kami na dadil. Paano yung supplemental? Hindi na po natin malalaman. There will be no guidelines.
Dito rin po yung
Dito rin
supplemental.
gagawin yung supplemental.
Hindi nga po natin malalaman eh. We will not be guided. Ano ba sasabihin niya? Why not before us?
Hearing is suspended. Resolve.
Gawa na, papunta I was asking the Secretary of Justice what are the parameters kung sakasakali
Suspended pa po tayo. Kung may tanong po kayo, lapitan nyo na lang muna. Hearing is resumed. So, we now allow use Bernardo to lead the premises with a promise or commitment to So we'll now allow Secretary Remulla and Yusek Bernardo to leave the premises with a promise or